Thinking about upgrading your car battery but not sure which one to trust? You're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best car batteries, reliable, long-lasting, and designed to keep your car running smoothly. Whether you want maximum power, durability, or value for money, we've got you covered. Stay till the end and find out which one is perfect for your ride. Let's go. Item number 5. The Humsienk 12-volt 100Ah LiFePO4 Max Plus battery is a powerhouse. With 1.28 kWh of energy, over 8,000 deep cycles, and a lifespan of up to 10 years, it outperforms traditional lead-acid batteries. Lightweight at just 26 pounds and compact, it fits easily in vehicles, RVs, or solar setups. Equipped with a 110A BMS, IP67 waterproof rating, and full safety protections against overcharge, short circuits, and extreme temperatures, it ensures reliable and safe power wherever you need it. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Item number 4. Looking for a reliable, long-lasting power solution? The MOSEWORTH 1200Ah LiFePO4 battery delivers 1.28 kWh of energy with over 6,000 cycles, making it perfect for RVs, solar setups, boats, and backup power. Lightweight at just 10 kilograms, it's compact and easy to install. Equipped with an M8 terminal and IP55 protection, it features a Grade A BMS with overcharge, over-discharge, and temperature safeguards. Operating from at 4 radius to 140 diodes, this durable battery ensures safe, consistent power wherever you need it, certified with CE, RoHS, and UN 38.3. Item number 3. Meet the D-SPAC 12-volt 300Ah LiFePO4 battery, a powerhouse for RVs, solar systems, trolling motors, and off-grid setups. Delivering 3.84 kWh of energy with over 8,000 deep cycles, it outlasts traditional lead-acid batteries by 3 times. Lightweight at 25 kilograms, compact, and IP65 rated, it ensures safe operation in extreme conditions. Equipped with a 200Ah BMS, it protects against overcharge, over-discharge, short circuits, and temperature extremes. Expandable up to 61.44 kilowatt-hours, this battery is versatile, reliable, and backed by a 5-year warranty, making it perfect for long-term power needs. Item number 2. Meet the VariCore 12-volt 100Ah LiFePO4 battery, a versatile high-performance solution for EVs, RVs, boats, solar storage, and off-grid systems. Delivering reliable power with 8,000 plus deep cycles, it supports high current output with 100 amps continuous and 200 amp instantaneous discharge. Lightweight at 11 kilograms and compact, it's easy to install. Built-in 100 amp BMS provides overcharge, over-discharge, and temperature protection, ensuring safety and longevity. With operating temperatures from -20 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius, and a wide range of applications from power tools to backup systems, this battery is efficient, durable, and environmentally friendly. Item number 1. Introducing the Avtark 12-volt 120Ah Li-ion battery, a lightweight, high-capacity power source ideal for solar energy systems, inverters, electric bikes, and backup power. Delivering 200 watts output with a 20 amp continuous discharge, it combines strong performance with just 900 grams of weight. Equipped with a built-in BMS, it provides protection against overload, over-discharge, short circuits, and overcurrent. Operating efficiently from 20 degrees to 60, this CCE and RoHS certified battery is compact, durable, and perfect for LED lighting, solar setups, and off-grid applications. Which of these car battery is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.